Last video was about my practice car that I got, the S12, which, if you saw it, thank you for checking it out. I didn't vlog Drift Day 24 because I had bought both the Skyline and the 200SX, which was more than double the prep and more than double the work involved. Then with one 30-year-old plus drift car, I literally couldn't vlog if I wanted to. I just wanted to give Jake a good send-off and drive as hard as possible. Well, mission successful. At the end of this video, you'll see my best driving to date. Okay, it's the end of the video. Here we go.
Yeah, I've got no brakes.
One reason why I was able to drive at this level with ease was 1, sim driving. I've been sim driving a lot. 2, I replaced a 30-year-old transmission mount so I can finally get power to the ground. And lastly, I maxed out my GkTech camber arms up front. So now like the contact patch is a lot better when the car is steering at angle. Was that fun?
How long have you been drifting?
6 years. This is my first drift car.
Really?
want to say thank you again to John for working on the 12 while I was out driving the Skyline, ripping around while he was just wrenching away in the heat. Just to give you a quick heads up, this next lap is non-eventful driving the 200SX, but I am still happy I got to drive it though. So regardless of it being non-eventful or, you know, if it was the best ripper in the world, I'm still really happy that I got to drive it.
I'm on a 235 KR20.
Damn, I could tell. Yeah, when you had it out and just punched it, I felt it pushing us through. Normally, you know, you're kind of sliding out more.
Absolutely.
I mean, that was 3 years ago, but
that was scary with that Mustang.
Oh, that was real scary. He kind of disappeared into the smoke, and then there he was.
Yeah, I've got no brakes now.
Oh, they get a little hot.